ready to wrangle your projects and boost your productivity. Welcome. Today, we're diving into how long it realistically takes to learn Jira, that powerhouse project management tool. First, let's acknowledge a key truth: the learning curve is a scale. Your base knowledge heavily influences your speed. If you're familiar with project management basics, you'll have a head start. Experience will also affect the time it takes. Step 1 is grasping the fundamentals. This includes understanding issue creation, basic workflows, and navigation. You should be comfortable creating and editing tickets and navigating around the most common features. This initial grasp could take you a couple of days. Next, you'll customize your instance. Think about building your own workflows, adding custom fields, and tweaking notifications. This is about a week to get familiar. The pace depends on how many specific fields are used. Now, consider the advanced features. Think of automation rules, integrations, and advanced reporting. This is where things get really powerful, but also more complex. This phase could take several weeks, or even longer depending on how deeply you want to go. Remember to make Jira training relevant to your everyday work. Apply what you learn to your specific tasks, projects, and needs. This hands-on approach will accelerate your understanding and provide a more relevant and effective learning experience. The goal is to develop proficiency by using Jira for real-world projects and experimenting with its features. How fast you adapt to those features depends on how many projects you are managing and how frequently you work in them. So, while there's no set answer, plan for a learning journey, not a sprint. Keep exploring, experimenting, and you'll be a Jira pro in no time.